Today, let's listen this doctor, his journey of a non-surgical approach to maximize his hair growth.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kartik from Ipoh. So since I noticed I've been balding, I was worried but can't do much. And I decided to visit Dr. JasG. He gave me some advice and ideas of how to recover. But due to pandemic and busy schedule, I was not able to come and visit him. But after the pandemic in 2022, my balding got worsened. After meeting Dr. JasG, he advised me to go for non-surgical approach on hair treatment. So I chose to go with that approach, and after 8 sessions of the non-surgical approach, I got a very satisfactory result, which I'm very happy. I eventually now can comb my hair and I can even stylish my hair, which I was not able to do it before. So I'd like to thank Dr. JasG again for all the effort and the treatment and advice which was given promptly for me to follow, and I'm happy to be what I am now. Thank you.